Hi, James McCloskey from Remax Realty Enterprises. We're here in beautiful Alton Village, one of my favorite neighborhoods in all of Burlington. We got great schools, 3 community schools highly ranked, sports fields, parks for the kids, walking trails, absolutely everything is within minutes of here. And you know what? It's only a couple minutes to my new listing at 4175 Prudham Avenue. 6 bedroom, 4 bath, finished top to bottom, and you will not believe all the renovations we've done. Welcome to 4175 Prudham Avenue. The large foyer is grand with porcelain tiles, double doors, built-in storage and bench. The living and dining room feature wide plank hardwood floors, pot lights, great open concept design, gas fireplace, feature wall, and large windows. The stunning kitchen is a chef's playground and a perfect hub for the family or entertaining. The impressive kitchen island is perfect for dinner prep and also functions as a table, complete with quartz countertops, backsplash, gas stove, custom cabinets, pot lights, large sliding doors to the landscape backyard. The main floor bedroom is a great feature for older children, nanny, or a great area for an office with hardwood floors, walk-in closet, large windows, and stunning 3-piece ensuite. The main floor 3-piece bath is stunning with its large glass shower and modern design. The laundry is conveniently located on the 2nd floor with front-load washer-dryer. The principal bedroom features laminate floors, 4-piece ensuite, walk-in closet with closet organizers and large windows. The 2nd and 3rd bedroom have laminate floors, double closets, and large windows. The 4th bedroom features a walk-in closet, laminate floors, and large windows. The professionally finished basement has many impressive features including vinyl floors, pot lights, great open concept plan, recreation and games room. Not to mention a 5th bedroom with a 3-piece ensuite perfect for older children, in-laws, live-in nanny, or guests. The backyard has an impressive 3-tier design and a perfect layout for entertaining and enjoying evening hot tubs while watching the ball game. The home includes the built-in gazebo, hot tub, and shed. The roof was replaced in 2020. Well, thanks for coming on the tour here today in beautiful Alton Village at 4175 Prudham Avenue. This is one impressive home and it has so many features that you very rarely find. 6 bedrooms, 4 bath, and so many impressive features throughout. Give me a call. Let's get you inside and give you a tour. If you have any questions, reach out to me on social media. Follow me at #HomeJamesRemax and have a beautiful day.